guys, it's Tochi.
Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I will be making okra soup with gari, and it's going to be yummy. It's going to be tasty. I'd like you guys to watch and enjoy and feed your eyes. I'm going to be making this soup in less than 10 minutes. 10 minutes. Making okra soup in 10 minutes. I hope you guys would enjoy it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. My name is @beingtochi on Instagram, and my YouTube channel is Being Tochi. So if you're not subscribed, just click on the red button down and subscribe right now. Thank you. Hey guys, so I just want to show you the basic ingredients for this meal. So these are everything I have right here. This is my okra already sliced. This is my smoked fish, and that is ugu leaves, otherwise known as pumpkin leaves. That's my sliced onions, and I have pomo and beef with a little of the stock. Here I have my palm oil, and that's my crayfish. So let's get cooking. So first of all, I'm going to put my stock in the pot, add some water till it's enough, put your salt to taste, some seasoning cubes. I use Maggi cubes. For this quantity of food, I would not use a whole stock cubes. I'll just use half of it. Don't forget that you already have some seasoning in your stock. So previously added seasoning and salt should be considered when adding some. So I put in some onions depending on the quantity you like. Some people like to avoid onions in their food. Some people don't like to see onions in their food, so you can blend yours. For me, I would slice mine. Add some crayfish, and cover it and let it boil. So now you can taste for salt. Add some palm oil. Add your smoked fish. Let the palm oil settle very. So now I put my water on the fire. Back to check my soup. I'll add some pepper now. Depending on how much pepper you like, it doesn't have to be too peppery. Now it's time to put my okra. I'll gently pour it into the pot. Remember to put your okra before the ugu, because it's harder than the ugu. Stir a little and cover it to cook.
No.
I've left the okra for about 1 or 2 minutes. Now it's time to put my ugu or pumpkin leaves. The pot may look over full, but when the ugu cooks, it will look less. I don't really need to stir right now because the pot is too full. I'll just cover it to steam a little bit. My water is boiled. It's time to make the eba. Back to the soup. Okra and ugu can mix very well with each other. Looks yummy. Guys, please take a second to like this video and subscribe to my channel. You can find me on Instagram at Tochi. My YouTube channel is also Tochi, and feel free to drop a comment if there's something else you'd like to see. If there's another cooking video you would like to watch, please drop it in the comment section or send me a private message and I will be sure to respond to it. Food is ready. Now let's serve.